Breathing and meditation for Warrior Journey Session 2. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be counting the breath. We're going to breathe in through our nose and breathe out through our nose. And we're going to count the breath in, count the holding of the breath, and then count the breath out. The breath out is slightly longer than the breath in. And that helps us to let go of the mind and also helps us to detoxify. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to count to the count of 4, 4, 6. If that is too slow, just follow your own rhythm. But just make sure that the out breath is longer than the in breath. Okay, let's begin. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. 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 And the last one, breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. And gently let go of the breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your body straight, but not tense. And take a moment to feel your whole body sitting on the chair or the ground. Feel the top of your head, your face, your jaws, and avoid the temptation to judge or fix whatever you feel. Just notice it as if you are an interested observer. No judgment. And take a deep breath in and gently bring your awareness to the back of your head. Slowly let it go down into your neck and throat. What do you feel there? If you've not done this kind of thing before, you may not feel your body, and that's totally okay. Just leave your mind out of this and feel whatever you're feeling. Even if this is nothing, that is totally okay. Now bring your attention to your chest and feel it rising and falling with your breath. Feel your backbone giving you strength. And feel your abdomen and your pelvis. Does this feel different from the top of your body? Just notice whatever you're noticing. You are now observing your body. And gently let that go. Notice any emotions, if there are any. And emotions have many different variations. We tend to only notice the big ones, but frustration, stress are also emotions. If you do notice any emotions, imagine them being flows of energy going through your body. Just notice, don't get into the story. You can give your emotions colors if you want, and you can see them moving in and out of you like gas or air. Now take a moment to observe your thoughts. What are you thinking? Don't focus too hard, because you'll find that you're suddenly miraculously not thinking anything. Just gentle focus. What are the thoughts that automatically show up for me? And remember, even the thought that you're not thinking anything is a thought. Just observe. There's no need to feed the story. Just observe your thoughts. Who is thinking these thoughts? Is it you? Or are they just generated automatically? Now gently bring your awareness back to your body, your breath, and open your eyes and come back to the room when you're ready.